Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to hide participants in Google Meet using xFanatical Safe Dock. In a classroom setting, whether physical or virtual, managing student interactions and minimizing distractions is key to maintaining an effective learning environment. In Google Meet, the ability to see all participants can sometimes create issues, such as students becoming distracted by their peers or focusing too much on who is present rather than the content being taught. By hiding participant names and images, educators can keep the focus on the content being discussed, helping to maintain control over the session. That's where xFanatical Safe Dock comes for the rescue. Safe Dock can help administrators disable participant visibility in Google Meet, ensuring that students' attention remains on the lesson rather than on their peers. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Meet Student Info policy, you can hide participant video feeds and names in Google Meet easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.